Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm filming in my basement. Yes, this is not a cute place, but this is where the magic happens. And I just want to let you know that you don't need a cute little space to start your own business. So we're gonna do today, we're gonna engrave, we're gonna personalize these little shot glasses. Well, I already did. But yeah, they turn out to be, very pretty, very nice. This will be like awesome for a gift, awesome for you guys. You can like personalize if you have a little party. You can have like the whole set personalized in just a few minutes. So with that being said, let's get started. So guys, I'm going to proceed to design, well, just to add the name, I want to add it on the little shot glass. So I'm gonna write my name, right? Because I want that shot glass is mine. Let me just double check it. So I use Inkscape. This is a very easy program to use. I also have Illustrator, but for some stuff I use Illustrator. For some stuff I use Inkscape. Okay, I cannot even pronounce it. My design is ready, so I'm gonna proceed to save this and then to transfer the design to my Glowforge. I'm gonna save it as a PDF file. So I'm gonna save as, and I'm gonna put my name. Change here. PNG. Wait a minute. PDF. I'm gonna put art and 3, and I'll proceed to save. I'm crazy today. Okay, so now it's saved. So we're gonna open, I'm gonna open the Glowforge and let's see our design. Okay, so now I transfer my design into my Glowforge, and I use the thick clear acrylic for the settings. That I used it before and it worked fine. I still need to figure it out, like the exact settings, and I promise, I'll keep you posted once I've discovered it. Because this is a process, learning little by little. But yeah, so I have my glass into my Glowforge 2, my shot glass. I have the design, my name, it's right there, right? So now we're going to proceed. I'll show you how I put it, because I'm not really sure that you're able to see it. So let me show you how I removed the tray from the Glowforge, and I placed the glass with a little bit of tape. So let me guys show you how I did it. I removed the crumb tray, right? And I placed a little bit of wood, right? And then I added some tape here in case this wants to move. So this is the way you guys can do it, and let's see how it turns out. So now you see here, so let's see how we're ready, right? We're ready to print. So we hit the button, right? Let's see if we're good like that. The machine will tell you if it's too low, you know what I mean? It won't let you do anything. So hopefully it's good like that and we can proceed. Okay guys, so I had to change the settings, and one more time, because it was taking the one I had here, it was taking the wood, right, setting. So I have to flip the wood, and now I put again the thick acrylic settings, and let's hit ready, and hopefully it will go through. Okay, so everything is good. It says 5 minutes and 6 seconds. So guys, cross fingers, let's do it. Ready guys, so let's remove the tape. So cute. Let's put it in the black so you can see it. put it here so you're able to see how it did. Very cute. So same procedure here. We design and then we transfer it to our Glowforge. So let's continue. So same settings. We're gonna use the acrylic settings and we're going to upload our design. Design is ready, so I'm gonna twist it a little bit and I'm gonna put it a little bit smaller. Let's see if that's good. Oh, I think that's good. Uh-oh. When that happens, guys, you just have to get the whole thing. Like that. Let's put it a little bit smaller. Okay, I think that's good enough. So cute, guys. This is the final result. I also engraved this little tray that I found that I bought Dollar Tree. So yeah, it's like perfect. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Till next time.